Yeah, so iOS 26 is finally here. Today we are going to town to test the new features of the iOS 26, the all liquid glass, new customizations and new addition to the update. So yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe and share this for more. So let's go. Yeah, so you can now use your own audio or music as your ringtone. So let's say you have your sound downloaded from the internet or anywhere. You can just select it directly on your phone and set it as ringtone. So let's check it out. So you just scroll through your files and locate the music that you want to use for the ringtone. So you click on the share button at the bottom. Then you click on the three dots showing more. Then you see use ringtone over there, so you click on it. But you need to make sure the song is 30 seconds long. So if the song is more than 30 seconds, make sure you trim it with any third party app and you are good to go. Yeah, now so if you don't like how the liquid glass is transparent, you can fix that. You see how transparent it is. Maybe sometimes you can't see the notifications well, or maybe your apps well. You can just go to the settings, scroll to accessibility and click on display and text size, and you scroll through there, you see reduce transparency. You click on that and anytime you come back, you see the display will now be a bit darker and the app will have a black background for you to be able to see through very well. Yeah, so Apple Music has auto mix now, so you automatically mix your songs whenever you are using a playlist or playing songs. Before the first one ends, another one will blend it to make it feel like a DJ or something like that. Very cool. And you can see the 3D liquid glass on the new Apple Music interface. Also makes navigating around the app very good. So let's test out some of the mixing features. Yeah, you can also pin your favorite songs on your playlist as well. Yeah, so we call a messaging with just one tap. You just search any contact on your phone, click on it, and now we have all the call history under one tap. So you click on the call history type, and you can scroll through to up to any other year that you had that number. You have all your call logs, the missed calls, and the calls you have done over there. Just for you to check any, maybe you just want to check the history or any of that stuff. I think this is a cool feature in the iOS 26. And call screening is also here to screen unknown callers. So anytime someone calls you, get a pop-up on your phone and the person gets a prompt to leave their name and the reason why they are calling, and you have the chance to either accept the call or even stop the call if you don't want to, or maybe you are busy doing something. I think Apple really cook with iOS 26. So the next feature is the hold assist. So this hold assist allows you to use your phone or do any other stuff on your phone while you're on a call. So anytime someone places you on hold, you automatically turn on the hold assist, and anytime they release the hold, it pops up as a phone call again. Then you just accept the phone call and you can continue the call. Charlie, so this is really nice feature that helps with productivity anytime you're on a call or something like that. So messaging and iMessage also have a big update now. They have backgrounds, of which allows you to choose from plain or maybe stylish backgrounds on your phone just to change and upgrade the style of your chat. You can even go ahead to select pictures from your gallery to update your chat, and this makes your text or maybe conversations really beautiful and all that. So I think all of this is just what Apple promised in their beta version, and we are seeing it here. So the clock also has a new feature. You can just customize your clock and stretch the time as you have seen in popular screenshots or videos on the internet. You just click on the clock widget, choose the first one and reduce the arrow or the slider over there to the last one, and you see some small or maybe arrows at the edges of the clock. You just stretch it to your liking with up and down anywhere that fits your screen or fits your style, and click on save, and voila, you have that new and stylish looking clock for your home page. So here are some extra ones you might as well check out here. So the camera also has a new layout now. The liquid glass in the slider side, the cinematic photo, video, the panorama side. And in some newer model of the iPhones, they prompt you anytime you have a debris or maybe dust at the back of your camera. The phone prompts you just to clean it up before you take your pictures or your videos. And the charging side also has a new feature which indicates the number of times your phone will take to charge up to 80%. I think we had this in Android since we've known phones, or maybe we've known Android smartphones. Yeah, so it tells you maybe you have 40 minutes remaining to charge from zero, maybe 22 to 80%. Yeah, so yeah, some of the features I've seen so far. If you've recognized or maybe seen other ones, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe, like, and share this video as well. Peace out.